Bitcoin is right now breaking out towards the upside. This breakout will be massive for Bitcoin, and potentially this is going to be the breakout that will lead us to 100k Bitcoin. So in this video, we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be next for Bitcoin? Because yes, we are trading inside of a weekend, but the momentum is just too strong for Bitcoin. So we are going to need to be talking about that and much more. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 130 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into it short term. And yes, like we have been talking about yesterday, well, a breakout towards the upside was of course going to be inevitable outside of this falling wedge pattern. Typically and usually this is going to be a bullish biased pattern, and usually we do see this breakout towards the upside. On top of that, we saw this important level of support, so we beautifully got supported and got a bounce from off this level, and eventually we got this breakout outside of this symmetrical triangle pattern. And while this is happening, yes, Bitcoin is looking to be breaking back above this level of resistance again on that daily time frame. So this is starting to look very good. We've closed our highest daily candle ever, and all of this actually during the course of a weekend. Usually, of course, we do know that Bitcoin volatility tends to be lowered during the course of the weekend, and we just tend to be consolidating at around that CME close price, which in this case is sitting at approximately that 91k level. So yeah, usually consolidation at around this level is going to be highly likely, but of course, because we are seeing so much momentum towards the upside, because we're still having such a high price target outside of this bull flag breakout, well, we could be seeing, for example, that during last weekend as well, we've created a huge CME gap and we just pumped even further during the course of the weekend. Usually this happens during the bull market, and we could very well as well during this weekend also see a significant pump towards the upside. So do be aware of that. Do be aware that this weekend might just be a little bit different, that this weekend we might just be seeing a huge pump towards the upside while we are seeing these significant breakouts to the upside and also a break back above this level of resistance. This hidden Bitcoin bullish divergence exactly playing out right now, looking very good. So yes, it is actually looking like Bitcoin is headed even higher. Now, is Bitcoin finally going to be headed towards that 100k target? Well, yeah, I have been saying that whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above this Fibonacci level of resistance, the 1.618 level, which is going to be ultimately the most important level for Bitcoin to be breaking above, I have said that if we are going to be breaking above this level, we are going to be reaching that 100k target very quickly. So yes, we are breaking above it right now, but we have also been breaking above it already just a few days ago, but we have seen a significant fake out. But right now, I do think it is going to be a little bit different, because we are also getting these breakout patterns over here. At the same time, liquidity is starting to form on that top side, and also the Bitcoin funding rates are actually still trading quite low, 0.0182%, which is literally quite low while Bitcoin is pushing towards new all-time highs. So yes, I think that right now we have gotten a very bullish setup and we could definitely push even higher. Now, I've been saying this for the last couple of days, that I think Bitcoin is going to be slowly grinding towards the upside and then eventually reach that 100k level. I think that right now is definitely going to be a good probability that we are going to be finally pushing towards that 100k level. So prepare yourself right now. Anyways, for the spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, we have actually seen 2 outflows, but I don't know, in the bigger picture, this is definitely nothing to be worried about. Anyways, the global liquidity is perfectly being retested right now. Have a look into this chart. This is the global liquidity available in the entire world, and right now the cycle is exactly repeating, because every single cycle we have formed a level of resistance, and then during the bull market we've been retesting that level of resistance as support, and then that parabolic bull market actually started. So right now, we are seeing that moment. The global liquidity is perfectly being retested. So yeah, Bitcoin could easily be going towards that 100k level if global liquidity is once again going to be rising from off this level. Anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, that imminent short term, well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below. Because with that first link down below, you can be claiming insane deposit bonuses. You can be trading with no KYC. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading Bitcoin and altcoins. And the best thing is Blofin is running a huge competition right now with $1 million in prizes. So definitely be sure to be checking it out with that first link down below. Anyways, having a look into the altcoins, I think that altcoins are about to absolutely explode any single moment now. Having a look into the total tree has finally been breaking above this previous high over here, looking very good. We are about to close our weekly candle, and if we are about to close above this level of resistance over here, well guys, definitely I think we are about to be headed towards new all-time highs. Yesterday I've posted this video over here about the biggest alt season, which is about to start right now at this current moment. I have been talking about the exact altcoins which I am buying right now, so be sure to be checking out that video down below. Altcoin season is literally about to start any moment now. Anyways, in a bigger picture still, Bitcoin is exactly following gold. These charts are looking exactly the same. This fractal is exactly being repeated, and Bitcoin is just about to be sent even higher, just like gold did after this significant breakout. Now, it's actually quite funny because in that imminent short term, well, Bitcoin is still moving towards the upside, while gold is actually moving towards the downside. Bitcoin is grabbing all of the liquidity out of gold. It is literally sucking all of the liquidity from gold in towards Bitcoin, which is actually quite ironic and quite funny to see. But anyways guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.